Hello, good evening. I've got something to share with you. We are introducing these sheets for all my clients where you will be able to track your leads. Let's say starting from tomorrow, it is 1st August. You can write down total number of leads here. Means in a day you got 10 leads. Out of those 10, how many was high quality? Let's say 2. They had budget to offer you, then good quality. uh, they want to work with you but they are negotiating on budget, something like that. Let's say it is 4. Low quality leads, like they don't have budget to afford you, that's 4. And you got 2 leads that are completely fake. They were just window shopping or they were your competitors. So out of these 8, how many quotations you have sent, how many people you have talked to? Let's say you have sent 3 quotations. So this way you can track this and you can give me your feedback on leads daily. So leads are good, like anything you want. We can increase budget. You can type in anything, so that is handy for me. Then we come to this work request and feedback. So at any moment, if you want me to do something, or then you can come here, you can add date like 2 August, create new ads. Then you can give me new content link here. Then you can select, or I can select. I think you should select this urgency, that this is important plus urgent, important plus not urgent. So these are 4 categories that we divide all our work into. So creating new ads are urgent, important but not that urgent because we have already running. Sometimes it is urgent as well. So based on the situation you can select that. Then I come here and I see the status, that once I started working on it, I put it into in progress. Then I add an estimate date by 4 August. It will be done. What's wrong with this? Okay, I'll fix it. So I can add estimate date here. Then I can add my notes. And you can put your questions here in case you have any doubts or want to ask something. You can put it here. Whatever random questions, anything you want. Can we show our ads to people using only, whatever you want to ask? Then I'll add my answers here. Then in campaigns, here this is budget, this is status, that now this account's funds have exhausted. So let me show you another one. So here we have 2 campaigns running: wedding photography leads 1, wedding photography leads 3. Budget is 333. Status active. Average cost per lead is blank. Last 7 days cost per lead is 68, and last 30 days cost per lead is 64. For this one, last 7 days cost per lead is 29, and same for last 30 days. These are ad names and these are ad links. You can just preview it. And if you want to do extra tracking, then you can track ad-wise leads here. Means this particular ad, this one, how many leads it brings on 1st August. Like this ad got us 5 leads, this ad got us 3 leads. So that way you can track it. Yeah, so that's it. If we do this, we will be means by doing this we will increase our clarity and efficiency. So, and you don't have to follow up with me or contact me on WhatsApp. You can just come here, you can add your inputs, and I will add my inputs. Once the work is done, I will say, yeah, it's done, and I will add my notes. You can simply come here and check the status of work, what's going on. So I'm trying this approach with all my clients. Let's see how it works now. It is very simple actually. You just have to track ad performance here. So we both know what's working, what's not. Then you can add your work request here, things that needs my attention, and then these are the what's going on in your ad campaign. Here we got one campaign running only, $75 per day budget. Last 7 days cost per lead is 32. Last 30 days cost per lead 27. And we have got 2 ads running, video 1, image 3. So this particular ad is getting high cost per lead than this image 3. So in few days I can turn this off and only continue this. So that was the performance feedback and update. Yeah. Okay. These are the links I have added. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, so that was the update. I will share these sheet links with you. You can request access and I will accept it. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me. I will tell you, or you can just watch this video honestly. So, okay, thank you.